liken schon wieder so. Zu leicht. Hello, and I don't know if that microphone even works. Hold on. It's bullshit there. It's every time the same shit. Hello? Hello and welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite on this episode 225 on this cold Sunday Friday, or sunny Friday, on DefNation4Real account. Enjoy a little while. I just want to seek and show what's going on here actually. Oh, do I have you in here? Hold on. Better. It's already sunny out there, stuff like that crack. Just want to deal down actually this account, also CarX a bit around. So, hold on a sec, I just, advanced settings, and then you have to go there. Go left, go right, right. Better. Checking out these kind of progress and going down to CarX for just a little drifting. And I go to sleep, and then afternoon actually, or nighttime, I just checking in for Elder Scrolls Elder Scrolls Online. So yeah, that's actually all to say. It was a short day today, and the last day actually for this year to normally work. Let's see. Maybe there's a little bit of work in December, but let's just check it out. Actually, on Monday I can't actually go to the dentist. So yeah. But yesterday I was a little bit pissed, and it was for 2 days as well. I don't know. Sometimes I'm very screwed up. Today I don't know. I'm just very tired and sleepy. Here we go. Oh, I get too loose. That was the first time today. Feel a bit cold. Alcoholism, baby. But you can't all day long, actually, all the time be happy, funny and stuff. Already was funny today, in the funny time. So, the toilet stuff, the toilet seat in your, you know, car, stuff like that. Always fine. But if you're actually in a, I don't know, in a situation that a policeman actually stop by nearby you and you make your blank ass as you're sitting on the toilet seat. It's just thinking actually on, okay, I press it out right now, and then you're watching over, and the policeman watches you, and you're shitting, and you're making the dull face, you know. And then he's getting out of the car and asking you actually where this, yeah, goes. On the, do you have a container down below actually your seat, or the driver's seat or something? And then he's sometimes say then I can't go back, I can't make back up, you know, and then you see where actually this goes, and then you see the shit with the shit paper on the asphalt, you know, on the tarmac. What the fuck? Weird. Alright, sir, I have a ticket for you. I have a ticket one for you as well, and then he's actually giving him the shit paper. Can you hold it for a while? I just need to gear in, you know. And then, no. Just shit in my brain. Just shit. Nothing more. Alright, well, let's keep on moving then. What was that? A car? A Porsche, right? A car. It's a car. Ah, always I forget that. Damn it. Schweinskopfsülze. Why is this song so loud? She will. Maybe.
Spotty running. Check it out. URL.
Yeah, if you just want to check it out, I have these Spotify stuff actually upcoming here on this top chat, live chat. You're welcome actually and done some shit abgepeilt, das Steuer ist jetzt mit Gott wirklich nicht geschissen. Da ich mal so oder war da noch was anderes? Nö. Boah. Oh, da ist zu viel Tequila drin. Boah. Wickenhaus. Oh Gott, komm hier. Was ist das noch hier? Hey, was ist denn, du verschissenes Lump? The USB hop. All the time going crazy. I don't know what's going on with this. Fucked up. Oh, why is it cold? No telling you twice, man. Well, absolutely bullshit. Somebody's snot. Mr. Snot. DJ Snot. She kinda what I want. Want more snot to listen in? Teach me vomit. Vomit. Ist das Mario? Oh, free tidy. You must think I have a death wish, leaving everybody breathless. It's always my time. The city is mine. You should learn to just accept it. Just pushed actually one room, actually some plates up the roof, some dry plates. That was it. That was actually all. And the staircase actually was just delivered and day off. What's it again? It called 2.5 hours. Not even. Even. But every 2 days actually I need to go to the compound and refilling actually the woodcut facility. So that's something else. It's always 15 minutes. Really come the ugly time now a bit. Ah, jetzt haben wir gerade auf Zunge auf Disney voll depp. Ja, wenn Spaß macht. Aber hinten ist halt offen. Would you go down? God hell, these kind of actually paths sometimes not working. But it's the game, I found out. Better than nothing. Aber weniger ist wie ein Totdosen weggeschissen. Oder was? Der Bauern schon wieder hinten auslauft. Let's just see what's going on in the career mode. Dancing. What already did that? No? I don't know why it takes so long all the time. Oh, come on. Already bull crack. Oh, jetzt geht's los. Ich hab da nicht mal angefangen zu rauchen. Blamage et garage. Music a bit loud, hey, on it. Yes, das. Oh, wie friert irgendwie, das ist unglaublich. Was ist denn halt los? Aber von innen raus. Gut. Dann war die Maus. What's your paint job? Oh, crack, man. I just watched the race. I didn't watch actually how long that is. Oh, I fucked it up again. I think we're going nowhere today. That's fun. That's these loud music, goddammit, for sake. Worst ever. Hey. Why so many races, goddammit? This is crazy stuff. Machen wir die Mucke leise hier. Kannst du hier keiner mehr anhören hier. Big ass grappling music there. Get a problem with Japanese or something? Ah, crack. There's a. I think this is, yeah, the P1 stuff or whatever. These are flags then. Die Scheißcreme, die regt sich aus sowas raus. Die Pickel von oder was? Piece of crack. It takes a cold beer, man. Shut the hell up. Oh. Fingern zur Zeit los. Son, need, itch, rain, gunbutter. Has vibration. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Mistake. I can't believe it. Why is it always so short? Do we got a problem in here? They say 1,100. I have 1,700 vehicle. Why I can't win? Cause I'm a complete moron. Moron. Oh, that's a bitch job. Die Fritzenquantum. Ah, ist definitiv die Creme, oder? Das ist so itchy. Good drive. Oh, sorry. Schwimmer. Again, can't win. What the fuck? Why is so far? Safe. Can't win in here. That stupid thing is you can't restart immediately. This is so stupid. I mean, you can restart in the race itself. And let's do it again. Just to see what's going on in here. This is a 600 actually. 18 points more. And I can't win. Why is this game so an ass-like? Asshole, I mean. Oh, don't informate me like that, for God's sake. Can't you just, you know, get it by yourself? I don't want to see that anymore. Ah. Oh. Scam. Even the tutorial is off. Can't even go first, actually. That's a big problem. Yes! Here we go. Trying stuff. Like these dog stuff, you know, to say, dog, come here. Get your bone. Ah, you don't get it. Always taking it away, you know. Sometimes you get extra aggressive then, and I understand these. What is this? You want to give me the bone or not? You son of a owner. And keep your bone, I take your balls. What is with this car here? The DB11. Let's try it out. I hate to do that. For what? For what? Shall be enough to lose. Ah, time attack. Okay, yeah, that's bitchin'. And why my ads? Here we come. Or something like that. Oh gosh. Time attack with your body or what? noisy car. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, can't get it. The 10, and the 9, and the 8, and the 7, and the 5, and the 2, and the 1, and you lose. Oh yeah. Just give me a sec. Or twice. Oh crap. Finish! You lucky bastard. I can see my house over there. Ah, it was the neighbor's one. Ah, crack, there's a wall. Good thing I just forget to bring in the airbag. For sake, there's that wall. Grab some money. What's that? It's like no. An hybrid V8. Get back to the event for sake. Half of the wind. Sure. But that D car, maybe that's why I won. Yeah, that's invest. Didn't investigate actually something in here. Invest something in here was wrong, man. But applause and coke. So what did you done with? Should be enough, right? Oh, the other drive is actually faster driving now. Do something with 1 minute 20. Let me take a nip. Just occupy and strawberry so du skål på Rostinak spielen. Oder nei gerotzt. Yesterday I cleaned my TV because I was actually sneezing all the times the weekend because the nosebleed, and oh my gosh, as you see the sun comes in and I'm coming home normally when it's nighttime, see the screen actually a little bit snotty. Oh god. I was thought, okay, you have to clean that for sake. It's a big screen. I'm sitting 50 to 70 centimeters in front of it, you know. About the... Oh, there's you done something with this 120. You do not know what's going on. There's this information on the side. Hello? Winter race, okay. What in 120 has to be done there? Oh crap, I don't know. Which I see I'm losing already. Yes! What the fuck? Oh my gosh, what happened now? That was weird. What? The car. Yes, let's do it again. Oh man, that's the finish line. Shoot, 120? Crazy. Oh, whatever. Maybe later on, right, if you just punish the car a little bit higher with these ranking, or with these rank points, numbers, or what is this? The fake system, the crew stuff. I don't know, man. The horrible XP or something. The HXP, horrible XP experience. I don't know what that actually is, you know, the grinding mode there. Can pump up the car to 2000 or something, just crack. You wanna grab the wood. Grab the stash. The knapsack. Knapsack. Seems to be clean. Blah 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 blah. And then we have 8 for sake. We have to win this one. Oh, yeah, maybe we got a car there. Oh, why so snotty today? Oh. So afraid since the weekend actually with nosebleed shit. And also until Monday actually my teeth is already opened up. The pain will come. Yeah. Because actually these kind of what's the done of English about the kacke? I don't know. Is that root or something? Too root or something just get actually needed actually to be closed actually because it's up and open. The medical is actually already inside and works wonderful. I have no pain. That's weird. Seriously weird. Until then Monday, 8 o'clock. The dentista. Wanna play wood. Silly ass. Oh, it's the same car, man. God, piss group. Sure, 40 seconds. Der Stiefmutter fährt schneller im Rollstuhl als du. Wie geht das denn tun? Swagger mother. Fought in a row case and yourself. These trash around here. What do you want from you piece of cake? Ain't home. Much obliged. Uh, 4 seconds of what? Where was the airtime? Oh, for sake, where was the airtime, man? Ah, drivel. You can read? No. Alright then, so until the next time, you fool. He's just getting the money away or something, this crack. Hopefully it's a 10 timer. Yeah, it's a 10 timer. Here, look at that. Lovely. Alright, take the money. Thanks for the big show. Ist da noch was zu tun? Yeah, you know. Cheers. Good night. You just wonder what the fuck is going on with these two controllers actually on this crotch. These are the controllers I flipped out last Friday. Also on these ESO. That bitch ass shit. We lost a lot here. We need to win in here. I take the big car there. So how many? 1.8? We got 1.6. Yeah, okay, that's bullshit. Oh, we don't have the Vulcan? Oh man, I thought we had that vehicle. Shoot. Hey, yeah, it's cracked we have. Thought actually we had that car already. Madman. That's snitched out. A 90 seconds for 120. Oh. Why is it not working? Working 10 seconds, right? And stick it up in your ass. Oh, that was a soft board. Yeah, seriously impressive. Bob. Oh, you mother tucker. You ruined myself, man. A 10 seconds. It's always a 10 seconds if you crash. Let me off the ramp, man. Oh, there's gonna be a close one as well. I can't do it. This is so fucked. You need the volcano, man. The Vulcan. Shit. So close. Man. That's madness. Yeah, lol. Hey, you'll be in a lol as well. Well, we can't go forward anymore. That's fucked up. I hate such things, you know. It can be so easy, the game, and it makes so much fun. But because you know you have restricted stuff, you know, to be done in here. 34 seconds crackness, man. I forgot about that. Can't go forward anymore in here. Ah, that's so shit. What's with this green stuff anyway? It's like to say, come over here, you're losing anyway, but you have the car, or what? I don't know. Invitations for idiots. Oh, crack more shit. Just win the mother tucking, right? Just something that's crack. Can't be so easy, guys. Oh man, I'm just retarded or something that's crack. So really, that's not even stupidness or something that's crack. But here really actually forgot his kindergarten or something actually in the conversation. Wow, was it blood? Or was it apple tomato juice or something? No, it was tomato juice, better say. I'm sorry. There's so many shit around me. Got that crack from the road, mate. All this garbage around in here. You know the train is coming. Nobody crash here right now? Yippee-ki-yay. Blessings to the Bruce Rose, man. Looks like the car has the handbrake on or something's cracked. What the hell? Where are all your stuffs? Spinner, Alter, was sind denn die? Why I just won in here? I just lost the last time. Yeah, I was maybe Grampy or something. Fine ass vehicle. Look at that fine ass. Yeah. Oh, ich glaube, ich habe den Toten geschissen. Get no money. You can grab your black section and run. That actually should have you done with. Have time to kick your ass. You butt munch. San Francisco. The eagle tries to shit you on the face. Because you have to drive up and downside, you know, just kind of mountaineering going up. The eagle comes down actually and shit you in your face. Pick up that this one I had to actually going a little bit too, you know, foxy time to pee off. It's a cigarette off, for the sake, damn it. What is motherfucking rate? Did you learn to drive? Oh, excuse me, man. Paying a lot of engineers. Just blocked me? Mother truck! Oh, for sake, that's the finish line again. Why is it so? What the heck? Whoa, look at that. 30 seconds down below, actually. What he's just trying to say? Need a little starter here and starter there. They did drive, actually. There's no life anymore. Holy shit. Ein Angebot für Sie in Badenhausen. Schön für dich. Oh, wenn du schon wieder alles weh, was ist denn heute los? Ist ein alter Opa, Alter, oder so. Oh. Ja, ich geh jetzt mal schnorcheln. Für den Teufel. Boah, jetzt hab ich gedacht, ich hab die Tür noch offen gelassen. Ich bin auch so ein Spinner. Ich hab's nicht so mit Pflanzen. Die rupfe ich immer gerne nur raus und schmeiße irgendwo in den Sack, ne? Gemüse, Kräutergarten auf meinem Fenster oder was? Muss ich die Insekten sammeln und in der Nacht rauskommen und mir ins Gesicht krabbeln. Hart. Mir juckt die Nase. Ich glaube, ich krieg gleich wieder Nasenbluten oder so. Nur Scheiß daher redet. Wollte ich nicht scheißen gehen? Ja, egal, muss das ja eigentlich jeder wissen hier. Ja, Leute, ich gehe mal jetzt pinkeln. Scheißen lasse ich jetzt mal. In der Unterhose ist noch genug Platz. Oh, mir juckt echt die Nase. Ich glaube, ich krieg gleich Nasenbluten. Ich will nicht schon wieder niesen. Ist mir kalt. Was ist denn heute los? Ja, passt schon so. Lassen wir einfach drin liegen. Nur Scheiß im Kopf. Please, help me out here. Hat er gesagt, da sind 2 Meter auf mir geschissen. Jetzt Mann, ist bald voll. Boah, muss ich mir das Parfüm ins Gesicht spritzen oder was, du Drecksau. Boah. Und der Nachbar was davon. Ja. Voll den Teufel steckt das. Das ist ja ein Huso, ey. One Save, ja, schau her, passt, wunderbar. Bin begeistert. Stop stripping, man. Mostly too late. Put on rice. Well, a little drift action in there and just win. Shouldn't be actually hardcore or something, just correct. Ah, that car was nice. Everything's so itchy, goddammit. Question. Here we go again. D-car, C-car. Oh, okay. Why say it all the time plus? Does it mean the wild cards or what? What is this plus meaning? There's so many options, right? Nothing works. What a middle finger parade. Your house then. Diese auch Kampagne, das war, wie sie lösen, das Goldbrot, die sind nicht geschissen. Body, bot. Oh, look at your BMW M4. Yes, I forgot to drift, I'm sorry. Yeah, bored. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the light is coming into the TV right now. I'm mostly not seeing the TV anymore. I thought that's okay what I'm dealing done with. Maybe you may got the same problem. Maybe watch where we're going. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, virtual button oder so. Got your ass, man. Where the hell are you driving at? Oh, did we gone to cover so we march? Oh, I love these engines. Yes! Critical meta score. Ich glaube, ich muss meine Lippen einsprühen. Dingsbumsen da eincremen. Boah, ich darf nicht so viel lachen. Nicht, dass sie noch reinreißen. Ich muss jetzt wieder meine Horsecock 7 Creme rausholen. Geht wieder los. Geht schon wieder los. Jetzt hab ich doch verschluckt da noch. You need to help me out of here. Try harder. Oh. When I have actually a web spider here, web spider actually in here in my room. It's a bit bad because the coldness in here. Oh, fine ass girl. Bier schon wieder aus. Das Bier ins Hirn geschissen, oder? Schnockel. Ja, nimm an. Gut und wär's. Ja, mei, passiert. Jetzt brauche ich doch wirklich Schrauben, Alter, wenn es gewinnt, Alter. Das kann doch nicht wahr sein. Naja. Wie lange dürfen die sein? What the hell? Why are people going? What's wrong with them? Pissing me off, man. They don't know fun. Boah, ich muss jetzt gerade mal die Pille runterschlucken, Alter. Ich hab vergessen heute meine edlen Pilze. Wo sind die eigentlich die? Ach, da ist schon aus. So, okay. Nicht, dass mir die kleine Groschka im Hals stecken bleibt. Machst du mal den Mund zu oder so? Ja, doch, du hast ja eingenässt. Deine Fußkrallen könntest du wieder nachschneiden. So hard. Hold on, do it for 65 times in one or what? Nah, yeah, 5 times that. Okay, you can't do that normally. 6 times, 7 times on the record or something. Barrel roll. Are you sure about that one? It's not a perfect nitro again. It's an E, right? No, I totally forgot, man. My Japanese is totally fucked up and rotten, man. Ich hab ein paar in der Schwabe, so du dich nicht geschaut. Oh, for sake, is that enough to do done that stuff? Oh my gosh. That stupid hop there, I don't know what's going on. A little bit touching. Doing. There's something wrong with that stupid USB hop there. War dem was? Oder so. Wollte ich ins Klo reingegriffen. What kind of car are you using for your car, man? You really have a problem in your brain or something.
What is this crap?
Oh, that was close. Man, I thought that's a fence, right? Holy shit. Going to Hollywood! Sourced. Da ist überhaupt noch Gas drin? Erstes Mal gehört, da ist überhaupt kein Gas mehr drin. Was geht denn hier ab? Läuft immer noch wie ein Einser. Nice call. Du brauchst doch die AMG oben drauf. Ja klar. Another victory. Do not know, man. Now, how many people is actually live streaming in here? Let's just see. Somebody say hello to you. Maybe I was on toilet or something. 2 people actually. You really say career mode and multiplayer. Well, he had 31 people to watch in here. Holy crap, man. Respect. Must be big earth in this. Me, mate, it says. The other guy something like, actually, I'm from Canada. Why have no zero people actually watching? How is this possible? This is even impossible. I'm watching myself, man. Oh, this is so weird. We can't get out actually of this crap. What the fuck, dude? Oh, I'm confused, man. Is it typically normal of it? Man, to loud a microphone or talking shit like shit. Yeah, whatever. I just myself, you know. Be myself. Yeah, the regular left the boy roll, man. If you just asking. Roll. 10 times, though. What the hell? How were? Was it a coincidence or something's cracked? Wow, see that? It's just boom. Taking 7 seconds. 12 seconds was actually the maximum all the time. 7 seconds was fine ass, actually. Man, should shut the mouth up since crack. He's good, he's fine. Hey, can it be? I can't see the messages or something because in other sections. Hold on a second. That can happen, yeah. I received an invitation from Efe. eFootball. What is wrong with these Turkey guys actually like football so much? I don't know, in this crack. What are my notifications? Or notifications, I always say. Pop up on notification. No message notification. No friend request or notification for invitations, activities. Was message reactions? Seriously? When a friend goes on and offline, I request can be happened. Current song? Display song information when songs start playing. Yeah, deal done whatever you want to take down in here. Alright, got it. Notifications. You be notified as well. Oh man. Move microphone out and gameplay are being broadcasted. I'm gonna break my foot out and stick it up in my ass. What the fuck, you? What is this English? That's actually all. Man, you don't understand funness in this crack, right? Help me out, God bless them. Hard. Okay, cheers up. Whatever. And again, he says, fuck you. What the hell is wrong with him? Ah. What else? Let's keep on moving.
I can smell it from here, are you little swine?
Po. There's a po-bo going.
Oh, crack to the crack. Did you see I'm driving in here?
Calling out the BMW, ja. En nödig cosplay. Oh, cool, that vehicle, ja. Oh, that's why I know the loud, man. You have the side exhaust system, you know, on your vehicle. On your whip. On your whip, man. My pleasure. Oh, no. My pleasure, too. Oh, whoa. Why are we changing vehicles? You're my home?
Hey, say what's wrong, man?
Oh, it's a stretch today. Oh, getting old. Yo, I don't know. What's wrong with them? They want to shoot or something? Not the time for that. Speed stripes my home.
Gang. For the graves.
Nein, mit den Spritzen. Gott, wie viel Zeit wir dann schon dazu stechen müssen, Alter. Das ist ja echt. Sorry, hier im Alter. Ihr Ziel befindet sich. Schaut aber nicht das Klo. infected. Oh god. Scheiß auf Leben, motherfucker. Whoa, what the hell was that, man? Oh, mother in hell. Can't do this on purpose or something? Whoa. I can't do it. I can't. Why the shit? What's the driver? The driver just run away. There you can see a driver, right? What was the driver in the accident? Oh my gosh, he flipped out the car. What a bloody mess, man. Here you see my crash, right? Where's the driver at? Oh my gosh, the driver's just gone. Exploded or something. Crazy crack home. Shit dingle dangled, man. I quit. Oh my gosh. So Realitätsnah oder so. Yeah, pull over for the wild card, my homeboy. Wild boy, wild boy, wild boy. Just be that wild boy, wild boy, wild boy. You got a mag, Nitro'theBat. Yo, what's up? The Pop Out Cat. Your homeboys are just shivering or something's cracking at some time. Let's get dangle that stuff again. Sunny each race. The bottom of us. Come on, let's go. The home driver. What? Nothing? Wow, man. Oh, couldn't see something. Stupid sun. Especially right now on the left side here. We're running out of time, y'all. Hopefully the finishing has included the driver as well in its vehicle, y'all. Dang, the Polaksen. Das ist mit den Polypen. Just kidding. That car has balls, man. To let wankage actually the driver but an explosion or actually crash. That's the last, y'all. Sitting on flaming cocktail, man. Yeah, the path of the what was that calling? Oh, that drift a little while and having a little bit of actually error rolls. I'm at that speaking it weird out in here. I think I'm on. Turned. Cheers. Campina strawberry season leaves such a cold post into the next stream. Get in touch. Hold on, let's just get a call from, where's that? Kansas? What's that stupid? Oh, it's Canada. It must be Canada, so this crack. Hello? Yeah, I think, I'm not sure actually what she's calling for. Man, I'm from Germany. You can't call like that. Took the time, man. No, I'm not really interested, man. But thank you very much for the call. Yeah, being an honor. Have a nice time. Have a nice day. Thank you. Nice week. Yeah. Bye. Solar City. Yeah, something's crack. As I say so. Oklahoma. What the fuck? Nah. You sit down the shit, man. Oh. They just want to sell, say, solar panels. Well, I'm not interested about that one. Oh, yeah. That is weird. Why are they calling us like that? You have our own wind plant, and solar plant there. Or parks, better say. So. Wind and solar parks, right? But it's not like actually, sometimes I get calls, they don't even answer. That guy actually was answer, man. Immediately he was actually being happy as he tried. Oh, he's a German, speaks English, you know. I'm sorry. The end, it just was not interest, man. Man, this is just this job, you know. You get paid for that. Oh, holy shit, what the fuck I just eat yesterday? A lot of us olives in there. A lot of rice. Shooting like an MG4 or something out of my, you know, dog place. Oh yeah, just did actually barbecue in there. The sauce, you know. No wonder. Oh, that music is just fine ass. Did he just say? Oh, I just say she looks very great, you know, something like that. She was saying. And super fast. You have to watch super fast. I like these parody of actually Fast and the Furious 1, 2. I think 1 and 2 only. Standing there at the parks a lot, actually, gotta say. Then she was turning around, and the other girl actually is a little lesbian or something, getting over there in this movie, pranking actually these other girl there. Just saying, what a fine ass. And he was saying actually, he's parody actually a comedy parody instead of satire. What's it called in English? I'm not sure, man. I'm so sorry for that one. Actually, of these the Dom, you know, and she has this girlfriend, and he's saying, "What did you just say? You're my girl. You know that." What's so much abuse about actually being a lesbian, you know? Holy shit, I don't care. Shit, they do whatever they want to do. Oh, she was saying that. Look at that fine ass. So, oh my god, no, really. She never said that actually in Fast and the Furious 1 and 2. The other guy came in as Paul Walker actually. Just liking actually, what was this guy called again? These Justin Bieber, here we go. Number 1 Justin Bieber fan. With a unicorn up there on this vehicle. Oh, that's fun. Watch Superfast. The movie is called Superfast. I think that was an exclamation sign as well or something. I don't know. Yeah. I know that movie since more than, I think 10 years now. Sometimes I'm watching it. It's just so fun. They should bring out these stuff as well so much, please, because that makes actually very much happiness, and making comedy actually over all these movies is seriously fun. I'm actually really loving these, but I think they don't making this up anymore because the license crap. I don't know. So also seriously movies in there. Ja well, movie industry. Ci sa kapaj na človek se lyser lidt godt på rostigt med Over there. Gambarnas. Oh, look at the crater there. That was close. Not with me. Not with you, and not with them. I forget about that one. You know what just happened? Cruising by. For sake. $40 left, man. Use my salt. It says no goal, right? It says lol. Laughing out my lungs. Ha 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 ha. I hear all the times lol. Not goal. Somebody should actually say finish. Say goal, but actually for me this is like lol. Weird. See what we get. Ah, okay. Very good. 40k is good. Was ist das denn tun? Just eating that at a real time, actually driving like that, oh gosh, man. I'm gonna vomit actually the complete inside of the car. Making barrel rolls and all these stuff. And, oh gosh. It's not the same shit, right? Come on. Those earplugs all the times popping out my ears. The hell did that crack? We out of gasoline, man. Eating them cherry can. Gulp, 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 gulp. Time for a drink. Tequila Smirnoff Ice. Ah. Yes. Come on, barrel rolls. Oh my gosh. I don't want to go up there. I have heights. He's like, God damn it! The car had the handbrake on. You sick boy. Yes. Oh, that was close. Oh God.
Thank you.
Wow, the sunbathing is got damn right now.
Think of you going. Into the infinity.
This movie, that was fun.
Oh, so low rattle. I don't know what the hell's going on with this.
Gå down this video förhoppningsvis. Du startar med.
What's her name again? Alita or Aliella?
Aliella. Never heard before.
There's no short name for that, right?
L. Oh, that's hard action on her. Okay, cool. Got it.
Just a bit, having some airtime, you know.
This stuff like to be done with.
D.R.O. No. That's not the airtime, man. What do you call them? Chomp time? I don't know, man. My Japanese is so rotten.
Dritto.
How about the other one, actually?
Örjendo. Jag klart det sa airtime.
Damn it. How many times actually you rode on the PlayStation 3 actually? It's just actually was video chatting and party chat. That was calling voice chat and video chat. Not this party chat. Party chat on PlayStation 4 is a piece of shit. Why in the hell? Let's just get it off. Of course, because of nudity and all this stuff, but for God's sake. It's kind of you're having a Skype conference or something. PlayStation 3 was awesome with that stuff. I loved it very much. I learned my English, learned the Japanese part a bit. I don't know. In school I was a real fool actually with all this stuff. Education my ass, man. Kinda actually you have only in high school the diploma or something, that's all, you know. But the English didn't actually was so fucked up. It was actually like actually you have a better certification, you know, in the end, the high school, but fucking sake, I couldn't make it. There was actually kind of an English actually say an E, a 5er, you know, actually it's just get. Then it was a 3.1 or something, so you need a 3.0. I fucked it up. Because I thought English for what I need English, for sake. So I didn't care. Whatever. That's why I'm still a construction worker, so since my childhood, actually, since 6 years, I'm working actually, you know, everywhere I can actually, and I was actually all the times actually on this farm herd and stuff. So everything's cool. Just to help a person, nothing more. Let's bring it on. Hold on, you have to be active to make an easy absence in this crack. So it must be airtime. Oh, look at that nice car. town. Where's the bird guy? The right side it was. Left, right, left, right, left, right, upside down, something else. Use myself. Oh crap, what happened? Oh my gosh! I didn't saw that coming up. Oh my gosh, hell. Sorry. Wow, bloody mess! LOL. Really, it feels for me, it's saying LOL, not go. I say that since 6 months now. Crazy. Wapa. Oh, what's the stench, man? Tequila or something. I don't know what this air actually is. Smoke. Just smoke from your jacket, you homeboy. Guess where I am. In front of the toilet, having fun by myself. What was that again? I never figured it out. How many times you can shake and then you're making something else when you shake too much? Oh, this is bullshit, man. Actually, not shaking anymore. That's weird. Yeah, that's seriously weird. Ah, man. Shack smells! It reeks from the smoke of cigarettes. How you doing? So, she's open. She's sitting out there on the balcony and smokes. Yeah, from the construction manager's sister. Okay. Oh well. You want a no-name, that's clear. What the madre? Fun act. Here we go. Told myself, rather fine. Actually, this fire toy has gas. There's no gas inside of it. That's still working. Weird. I like the smoke and the drinking beer or tequila with sun in there when I'm driving actually these racing games and stuff like this, you know, in this virtual world. Not that they're thinking actually I'm an idiot or something that's cracked, but if I have free time, I like to do that, or I'm playing actually these weirdo MMO games or RPG games. Whatever drizzles. Or I'm eating very much and watching YouTube stupidness and Amazon videos for free and stuff like that. That's actually all. No girlfriend, no hobbies. Isn't it a hobby anyway? Nah, it's not a hobby. What's that meaning? Hundo. What's that? Erndo. No. Maybe chumps? No, I don't know. For God's sake, my Japanese. I just hate myself very much. Thank you very much anyway by watching a little while here. Appreciate actually all the time. Shit, bullshit, and all this crack and all of what I'm saying. Like it. I'm an adult or something. They say. I feel already dead. It's like there's actually the midlife crisis, there's the end life crisis. What kind of work came after all this? A dead life crisis, it would. A 6 feet under coffin crisis. 6 feet under coffin crisis. Coffin. It's like cough. You want to have a cough? Coffin. You want to have a coffin? You want to have a cough? Yeah, maybe that's why they say cough in America or something. You want to have a coffee? Ah, a coffin or a coffee? Can have both of that. 6 feet down under, you know, some stuff like this shit. Twisted, man. Twisted. With hanging. So let's see, find out what the other one is. 5 whatever. Turns. Chumps. What the hell is wrong in here? I can see my cow flying into the twister. For sick. Oh, now we got it. Accident. Oh crap, where we have to go? Oh! I watch on the right side, let's say. I corrected the hard call. Oh, what a mess. This is your spoiler, sir. The trunk is not anymore safe. Into the river! Oh my gosh! I'm an asshole. I'm actually counting the pebbles. Here we go again. I hate these ends. How many times I've lost in here? Open up your mouth. There's only shit coming out. Oh, gas. Could I refill with the bulbs actually to fire to us in this crack? No way. Need more ethanol or something this crack. You done that's good. That's all the money we get. No way. I forgot myself with that one. What's up with the music, man? You're chilling too much out of this crack. There's some actually Russian music. Yeah, here we go, louder and prouder. That's what they're dealing for. She's up. Überstellt. Nix noch. What we got? 4 times. Stunts. Stunto. No, makes sense. Stun-do. Ndo. Stunto. Done. Works like hell, that car. Bling bling. Oh my gosh! Even the cameraman from Meta is actually over this camera screen. Well, I'm seeing it here. Woo, woo. Yeah, I'm on, okay. Just say okay sometimes. The asphalt like Asphalte oder so, aber Tarmac. It's like actually Tarmac Unite. Oh, what's it calling? Asphalt Legends Unite, right? Tarmac Legends Unite. Maybe the next game of this. Not the saying actually Asphalt Legends Unite 2 or something. Maybe they say that Tarmac Unite Legend. Tarmac Legends Unite, I'm sorry. Music is so popping loud in my ears right now with Spotify earplugs. Downtown Rise. Wood Rising. Now the belt actually getting a little bit strapped on in here. You have already 1,392. The air is just getting thinner, about the 1,550 cars you are driving at. Hey, listen up, what the mother in hell shit is this? 3 people's watching, all the times 2 people's watching. Then a third person came in and raped actually off my second person to watch. What's happening all the time there? They're calling each other and saying, hey, that guy is a little bit piece of shit cake or something. Dude's a plaster, I don't know what's going on all the times. It's like there was 8 people's actually live stream on my live stream stuff like, and then actually the 9th person came in and raped actually off all my 7 people's. That was only 2. Kind of that time my mother watched me. Yeah, my mother is investigating me. And I'm 38 now. What in hell I'm doing wrong in my life? Turn left on. But you actually see on left turn. That makes more sense. Ci siamo campana, so vi siete saluti col prosti na krisen. Kind of balling, man. What's wrong with you, man? Over. Oh, it's gonna be tight. Oh my god. You're not gonna win this one, little guy, right? I thought, oh my god, where we have to go? And it worked. Nice. Amazing. Sometimes the game is surprising me. Get a snag on, man. Don't snuggle around. Why I'm first? Weird. Not gonna lose this one, right? I'm not gonna lose this one. Just chill out. So many years ago, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, actually, I was saying to my own boss, actually, chill out. He was coming actually to the garages, and the didn't was actually heated enough to actually making the mortar actually on the walls, right? Then it was actually close to 8 o'clock, and at 8 o'clock we started up actually to work. He was coming actually at 7:45. Thought actually he needed actually to say, well, you're not going in. It's starting up your work. And then I say, first up, I'm smoking. It's not 8 o'clock, second, third time. And then he was actually starting to make another pulse, you know, with kind of crying around like, you know, like a boss normally deals done with. Put his 2 hands actually in my hand and saying, you have to calm down, man. I told you, it's not actually warm enough in the garage to bring the plaster actually the roof on and stuff like this cracked. Well, the wall as well, damn that. And then he understood. But he was so reactive, man. It was thought, I give a fuck. Hold on, man. And then I was saying actually the neighborhood don't need actually our crying out in the morning time. It was freezing actually, it was minus 13 degrees. So, what the hell? Calm down. And that was before Christmas, so 2 days before Christmas, or was it 3 days before Christmas? But what the fuck? We was the only workers that working in the company actually. And since that, actually, my boss respects me a lot. He's a funny guy actually. A bit of daydreamer, but everybody's a daydreamer, right? But as a boss, oh well. His father dies actually, how can I say, too early, better say, yeah. What was my father in my life? Let me guess. 6 years long? And that's it, right? That's why I started up the work. Yeah, done. Okay. I don't know my father. I know better actually my construction workers, my uncle better, my farm uncle, than anybody else. Construction manager can be my father as well. So there's so many people out there actually. I know them longer than actually everything else. At home, oh, my own man. Feel like a youngster because there was never actually some girlfriend around me. I just live a little bit for the work a bit, yeah, a bit, just a little bit, just to snuggle a little bit. And I don't care, everything's cool. I just hate life since actually my 5th year or 6th year actually, so started up to hate everything. God and Satan, nobody helped me out, and then I was learning actually get teach that the worst lesson to have a stepmother. And blah blah blah. Mission complete, right? Oh yeah, need another part. Oh, this is not working. Why is this not? That's weird. The clicker or something's hanging around. Don't worry. 70K? Was that Railroad Basel? Basel? Really? Basel? They really tried out some dialect, slang or something? Railroad Basel? Or is that English? Basel, Hosel, what's the other one calling? Faulty Tower? Yeah, something like this. Faulty Tower. Nah, everything's cool. Cheers. Kempa, in the struggle, si buso do skoj prosti nek špim. Oh, that's the music for Record City, right? Yeah, they used it actually in this game. Resident Evil Record City. The whole game was actually not so bad. Even better than Resistance, goddammit, what did that just bring out for the shit? Is that Saw? Resident Evil Saw or something? Psychopath shit. No, it's Resident Evil 2 Record City. Oh, okay, good. I remember that song actually from Record City. See, get it out. Yeah, blah blah. Why did do that all the time? "30 seconds to go." Lost sherry can again. My gosh. Second beer. That is the fourth beer today. Number 4. Everybody wants that nitro, man. Choo choo. Have fun over there. Did I watch you? Sick. Finish. Sick. Fuck. Oh man. This is my 7th fart today. Yeah, I'm counting with, you know. I'm not getting dull or something's cracked. Never know. Oh, charming. He's counting his farts. Beautiful. BMW, what do you want? 30k? Let's get it on. Oh wow, hey, what the hell was that? The server was just broken. It was before 8, it stopped, and I, oh, should I press? That was unfair. Oh my gosh, come on. That was unfair. I need to grab me some beer. I know Mother's watching, so Mother, is it okay to drink actually some beer here? Yeah, to forget myself what the hell I'm dealing done in here. Alter, ich habe immer noch die Weißbier in meinem Kühlschrank. Ich glaube, die sind schon über ein Jahr alt. So shoot. I know sometimes Mother is watching. Well, I'll go with this. Sun is gone. Oh. Weird. Cheers. US midlife crisis. Here we come. Oh man, we run out of these. Hold on. Wait. Shit. How many we can go out? Oh, crack. Oh yeah, I know. How many flags we got? 492. We need 800 flags. Welcome to Promised Paradise. The end as well. For sake, I need that stuff. I mean, how people? Maybe let's try this one. We need to win. I know my BMW is not strong enough in here. It's a surprise. I thought actually all the time the BMW need to win in here. There's so many cars out there. Lambo, McLaren, Mercedes, the Ferrari, and the Chery. For sake. Let's see, where was the problem? You can wind it up a bit. Definitely. Everything maxed out. Under the isolation. What does Pete better say? A 40? That's okay. That really helped and something was cracked. We should check it out. "30 seconds. 30 seconds to breathe." Alright. Da sind die Spaßbremsen wieder da. Ho, ho. No, actually you have fun with the popo as well. Piece of crap, let us alone. Stupid security. Oh, I can't believe it. That is so close to winning here. Okay, we try again. Man, I don't want to have actually these jumps, right? Okay, we learned a bit. I thought actually I could land on this roof. Yeah, sure, you've done that stuff. What, we are stuntman or something? What's a movie I just saw and I'm assuming, goddammit, there was a stuntman movie out there. That was very funny and at the same time actually very action-like. I loved it. I woke up, watched it a bit. I don't know about the title because the title is from 6 hours later. So I didn't never know the title on. Oh, I fucked up. We will find out this weekend, definitely, because I want to watch it again. It's a nice movie. Got fans. No good movies out there anymore. A Pumuckle is coming out. What the fuck is this? Even Meister Eder is actually very, very old. And in this movie, Meister Eder is very young. Really fucked up. Schmeckt mich auch nicht. Yep. We won. Easy peasy. Vinny with the witchy. Oh, he's witchy. Oh, come on, this is bullshit. This is racism. Und schon sind sie wieder alle weg. Ah, passt schon. Super krasse Leute oder so, ey. Passt du auf, was machst du? Schaustellerpuppe, ey. Ich schmeiß mal die Scheißmucke raus, Alter. Ich hasse deutschen Rap. Ich hasse ihn. Das ist keine Musik, Alter. So Brückenmusik oder so. Next. Rattlesnaggle. You don't want to play smooth crack. Dang. But what I'm paying actually $11 is in this crap. It's so silent again. Win the race, your homeboy. Always win the race. Hey, normally this actually should not show up in here, right? It's just like if you win, then win. It's for the flags. That's why. Taking on some 8 actually stunts. What kind of time? I don't even know. Nah, it's gonna be a tight one. Carter deserves something, man. What we need actually 5 times, so it means a 200, right? What you want from me? I wasted away, man. Be happy, we do. Pump the vehicle to max. Alright, how's looking, man, right now? The max, I can't deal done with. Hey, the asphalt points. Asphalt, man. Hey, asphalt points, y'all. Pockets. Good luck out there. You will need it. Time to start and win this crack. We got the doomsday, eh? Sugoi. Oh, why I'm crashing at that? Oh my gosh. Let me explain. There's no driver in there, right? Because all the times explaining to that is like an explosion, crashing, the driver's just gone. I need to clean something in my kitchen. There's actually this weird floor there. I've always seen that. Let's clean it a bit. A little warm water. Nope. CarX. No, it's gone. This one as well did. A lot of water running, you know, for that shit. It's just even down there. Really macaroni shit. Life. I'm done. Go in the toilet and pee off, mate. Ah, dripping, man. It's so cold I can't feel my nose. The knuckles actually. Video games. So that's the top of English curl or something, oder wie war das nochmal? The beer? That is rest. All day out. Sunshine. What? What the hell, man? Look at the style, you homeboy. You won. Respect. You're that. 2 hours of live streaming here right now. That's good it showed up. Last but not the least, you should actually finish this one up. You don't regret it, man. It'll be fun. Lost jerry can anyway for that vehicle. I just was waiting for that one. Oh, there. What the fuck, you driving through water faster than myself? That is the weirdest I've ever watched. Right, playlist done. Finally. That's a nice one, thank you very much. This is the Infinity as well. What is wrong with my hop? I'm not even touching it. I swear, fucking hell. I don't know what's going on with these. So weird. The Caribbean again. 4 times 360 overall. Sure. That must be a joke, right? Shop for the Chevy. What's the music of the car was repeating actually? Oh, back. Billy Pro Chat. God damn it, I don't have the car, man. Oh, we got 20? I take it. Deal. Oh, it's so cold. Perfect night for return, man. It's fun, ass. Ich auch gepan, das glaube ich, ist wirklich voll drauf, Gegner spielen. What was the other one? Driving a car, but what? A C car? Oh gosh, what are we doing? A C car, right? Oh, perfect. What a good decision. I didn't watch about that one. The one! The perfect nitro! Oh, you have to hold it long with the perfect nitro, okay. Oh god. Or not. What do you want from me? What is this? Nitro perfect. I did actually 8 times, more than actually 10 times. You piece of shit. This game is a piece of shit sometimes by his own challenges. I hate that. And now you're popping up with your shit. What the fuck they want? I just did actually 8 times plus actually more than 10 times. It's proof, man. It's a fucking proof, yo. I hate this game so much. It's against the BMW or something in China? Mother and fuck. Nitro. Nitro. Aber wieso Nitro? Das heißt was anderes. Nitro. Dann wird das Do, das stimmt nicht. Das ist To. Nitro. Nitro. Perfecto. I do. What's the problem? Beard. What is the problem in here? Look at that. Here, Nitro, just don't want it. 60 they don't want it. Look at that. 60 they don't want it. Like it like that, they don't like it like this, don't like perfect. Perfect, don't, sometimes they like, sometimes they don't want. This game is rotten. Now to say 3 times, yeah, it's a 1. Nitro bottles! Nitro bottles! Oh, that's why that's so weird. Nitro perfect is not fitting. Nitro bottles. Oh my gosh. My Japanese, man. Alright, now I got it. Bottles. Oh, for sake. Now I can actually drag back. Oh no, what's going on? Puta madre. What the hell he's driving at? I love culture, I love languages, man, but sometimes you're going nuts. Nitro. Why not Nitro? Nitro, normally if you get saying the kind of Nitro, okay? Bottle. Oh my gosh. For the bow. You don't say po, you say bow. That's why these 2 strings there. Oh god for sake, I'm an idiot. My Japanese, yeah. Pick it up, sure. Ooh, nice one. Shaw. It's gross stuff, right? Like somebody's actually painting his face and having a tutu on or something. That's crack. No way. Sorry. Do it better. Try better. That's on this guy. What a doozy. Trying to pee, goddammit. What is that in the wall actually? It's so doozy, nice face. I just did that with my ring, by accident. There's actually 3 strings on the wall, but they're looking like so. It's a smile and a doozy at the same time. Closed eyes. That looks nice. Oh. Dripping the nose. Man, I'm peeing, goddammit, I can't get it on this stuff. Where's the nose bleed? Nah. It's just cold. You just try to say? Give me my ring back, goddammit. can find it. Don't burn the misery in here. Nothing here. Why you got actually these stuff by yourself? Are you robbing cell phones or something, this crack? The meter stop. You don't have my ring, yeah, that's all. Let me see. There it is, my friend. I'm 24 years old now. But sometimes on the work I need to actually get my ring off. With a lubricating it with water, bring it on. Alright. Take this thing this time. Should stay a longer time, I should me again. So it was on my middle finger, actually, or my ring finger. Because my middle finger is actually from the construction side getting fat. It's like what it is, right? Looking young. Hi, Uni. That's your weekly premium. Should be popping up or something? I just already did. Come on, the idea like that. Wow, it's really cold in here. Crucify and crack. Oh, now we have only one car. That is hearing. The Akira. The Koimon. Yamamon. What that guy wants all the time over there. Opened up something in the arse as well. How could you get the money, but I don't care. That's the right example in here to do done that stuff for the free. Maybe we need that car. But look at that, we have 7 and we have only 5 to do done with. It costs a lot of error. Pwah. When you're pushing here, it's not some 5 hours and 30 minutes left. It's already a lot longer live stream than I thought. Yeah, whatever, it's niggles. The bridge are not finished. Whoa. Forget about it, sir. Throwing the move, throwing the Chevrolet. This has happened from before. And let's go! Lol, 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 lol. Oh. At the end was the car driving sideways actually, but actually going forward. That was weird. Oh, look at that! That was an accident. Chevrolet Camaro, ZL1, the 50th edition. You had to win with that car. 45 seconds. That was just luck. I didn't watch that actually challenge. Oh my gosh! Nice. Sugoi. That was just, I didn't watch. I was just excited and actually say, what the hell? There's actually some kind of a, you know, volcano. You have to be done with, blah blah blah. We watched that one. I had to completely forgot the challenge. Ah, these American cars. 3 times and 20 times we have. Okay, no, I don't wanna agree here. Sorry for that one. What's up with you guys? Let me guess. In 1 second you're out and stealing actually my watchers. And you're already out. Then have a nice time. Thank you very much.
Scotland. The only chance of the BMW. And they're gone. That's so weird. What's wrong with this shit? Huh. What a crack. Big break bullshit. Kichat kampanjen, där står vi ser ut att utgå winning. Det känns inte som det care. Thanks for watching anyway by our side. Have a nice time. Tablets for them. Oh shoot! Look at that time. Oh come on! Oh my gosh! I think I'm fucking around too much in the beginning. 86,000 slow? That's nothing. Oh come on! It's just a wind blow. Wow, that even wasn't much. Oh my home. My glass, in your face! You fucked it up! Idea. Just for fun. Let's do the dual section, man. The touch drive. Let's see what's coming up in this shit. She's up. Kampanjen står vi ser ut som du ska prata dina schissen. Ich muss das immer wieder so sagen. Get up, my home. There we go. It is a different about actually a second or thousandth in the game. Touch drive is like actually the max out of stability, because if you're driving actually with a wheel or driving actually with a controller, then it can happen actually you're losing 1 second in just 2 minutes. So that's why sometimes I use the touch drive to maximize the perfection of the game itself, to scale on the tarmac actually the car without losing actually engine power or something. Or speed, better say speed, yeah, something like this. That is weird enough, but whatever. I'm gonna take the 30k plus. Depends on your VIP percently points or something crazy. Detta testat ei vaan. Saako? You wanna go to Cairo? See what this is. Have fun. Nah, Cairo is actually the BMW actually for me.
How that works. Hey, yo, what's up with this shit? Just play the music, yo, bro. I hate that stuff. But hold on. If you're playing it again, man. Fuck, if you just change sometimes on the computer system, your Spotify music instead of your cell phone, it just really hates you. There we go. Oh, it stopped again. Let's go Asphalt Legends X playlist. This is so fucked up sometimes. Really deal with snuggle shit. You know what I really play? Actually, some stuff actually in my 40 and stuff, you know. No. There we go. Compromised. Oi-san, Osaka. Cheers up. Pie. Window freaking race, man. Good conditions. What in my back? Not going to work. Oh, come on, what the hell was that? It is 13 o'clock 57, so it's 1 o'clock 57 p.m. actually here in Germany, Bavaria. Why the server just gave up? Close to 2 o'clock. Okay, I understand, but why before? I thought the live stream just fucked up. Did I just doing something wrong? No. I've been very brave today. Hello? I think the server just crashed. Thanks for remembering me that crap. Sake. Yeah, what's with the rest of the piece of shoe? Let's do it again. Man, that was a fine ass. I gotta pee again. That's so raved off. I'll be right back. My mood is sometimes actually with this stuff actually down a little bit. But I got already the idea of cooking right now. Fuck. Sometimes in my life. Good idea. You're wiggle. You crazy mother tucker. Can't make this up by yourself. Looking into this. Some broccoli soup in there. And everything's gonna be okay. Don't forget actually to get a little bit meat in there. I like to say that. Fuck off! Oh, da habe ich immer noch die Farbe dran. Ich hab gesagt, Alter, diese kosovarische Farbe, Alter, die wir zum Schnalzen genommen haben, Alter, für die Trockenplatten. Für die Gipsplatten. Ich krieg die nicht weg. Ich hab doch gerubbelt und gerubbelt. Nichts, ne? Crazy shit. We have onions, man. Let's cut, yeah, of course. Let's cut some onion. Yeah, wonderful. Going in here to the lemon. Oh! I hate that. Yeah, no. Oh, man. Of course, on the floor. And you get cut it. Jim down to that one, right? Weil da stinkt nach Alkohol aus dem Kühlschrank, wo da überhaupt nichts mehr ist. But that's a big onion, man. Shoot. What's wrong with them? Just want to cook for one person, oh damn it. Not for the whole stadium to fart. Excessive way you're gonna have to go. Crazy crap, man. I hate my fingers. Because they open up, the meat, the flesh is actually open up. And if you have cut an onion, you have a real problem with pain. I give a fuck. I think I'm saddest to some of this crap. What is it gonna give a fuck? There we go, become good. Möchten Sie es gewürfelt haben? Here we go. That's it. So I'm cutting. Don't do that. Die Wirtshaus, Mann. Oh yeah. Let's do the free. Oh, my fingertips are burning. Bucasso, idiot. Comença a... Whoa, easy up, man. Comes good. There's some cheese in there. Huh? No Italia? No Italia, not today. Du hast das Sauschwanzel, dein Arbeitskosten, geht, da kann Island nicht mehr. Krass, wie man das auch sagt, Alter. Das ist übel. Von einem Käufer in Kuwait. Das ist übel, Alter, das macht man doch nicht, oder? They don't really like pigs, this is shit. Or something. More actually. Okay. Give him the spoon back, goddammit. Macaroni. But we have it bound. show me. I'm at a worthy price today. She told me that. Open up for everything. Tell up, man. It's very healthy. Ah, maybe this live stream is the last one for today. I'm not sure. That'd be good. I know, and stuff like that. Ach, das ist schon auch zu Hause. So wie ich ihn Werner kenne, höchstwahrscheinlich war der schon um 11:30 zu Hause. Decken hier drauf. Stufe 4. Das geht nicht auf. I need to go to pee and then be can't play forward. Warum riecht's hier so nach Rauch? Ich bin mit der Zigarette niemals hierher gegangen. Ein richtig kalter Rauch. Boah, komisch. Da ist die Jacke mit dem Calvin Klein Parfüm oder so. Boah, I hate that. But I should order myself actually to smoke the crossing. Or there's something else I forgot how the name was. But the parfum was actually so good. Hold on, maybe I have one. I forgot more. What do we have in there? What do we have? Oh, beautiful. Come on, it's actually a nice parfum I should actually have, but it costs actually a kind of a, what we should say, a half liter actually from 4 parfums, actually kind of 100 to a 200, 300, 325. But that's actually a nice parfum. Did that in my life actually 7 times, so every year actually get away actually a few $100 to come on actually for this parfum. This is a nice one. You really have girls around you without actually acknowledging it. Time to open up wider. Licking in. Oh yeah. Not every time, actually every worker's live stream. Even the roof is actually calculated wide. Because it's actually very cold out there. Ich habe kein paar in der Schrotte, so gut, ich wollte aus dem next stream Tarai Moss, by the way. We play. I hope so. Tomorrow I need to refill actually woodcut facility and give away actually my recycling bin, the money. That's it. And I'll play then the Elder Scrolls Online or something crap. What the hell was that? Did I forgot something in here? No. That was very efficient. That's a pan. Was it being done? Because it's a false pan stuff in here. Oh, shit. It is. Fucking not actually. Oh my gosh. All of this cleaned up and their stuff. That should be nice. All right. I think there's too many onions there. Ah, not again. It's farting then tomorrow. Oh my. That'll happen. Ah, that's a drip section. Where's the other one? God damn it, I know there's someone. Here we go. It's a small kitchen. Just took with around meters or something, this crack. Oh well. I don't earn it actually as a construction worker to have a bigger kitchen. I'm okay with that. Oh, that's a nice one. So far it's perfect. Yeah, definitely. Oh my gosh, I have something actually to spice it up. Sweet sour. Oh, it's perfect. Not that I couldn't actually eat it though. Was too much for the actual finger food stuff. Shit, Birkin. Sherry Birkin, right? Cherry Birkin. Sherry Birkin. Huh. The 4 is really nice. I should take you go to 3. How about a drink? Go forward and here is the game. The 80k UK. Yeah. With the car, y'all. Somebody I don't understand. Nitro 10 seconds. Don't know what the other one is. I don't know what that other one is. Just escaped from the police. The popo. Good old time, actually, with a good old Betsy, y'all. Can you give a little bit of tequila in there? Too many Smirnoff in there. Oh, you fucked. The Pope was behind us. Oh shit, the hell no. Should have been pleased to ask if something's cracked. Exactly. My stomach has already been afraid about these onion I just take in because there was a handful of onion, God forsake. My hand is big. I know what I'm talking about. Whoa, look at that police helicopter on the bridge. That's a big one. Something wrong there. That things. Fix. That's weird, yeah. I should chill out. Whatever, nobody's watching anymore. We'll put the same actually on CarX, right? So I should actually drink 4 more. Just actually make my food and just actually go to sleep after that. Cheers up. How the hell, Jeff? What's going on like that? Got an idea, but you don't like it. Nobody's watching anyway. Yeah, just do whatever you want to say. He's cracking here. What's it calling? Doesn't matter? Okay. Hold on, you have to riddle. Here we go. That looks fun. What's that? No, you have to actually go up this one, and then you have to say, okay, go fuck yourself, this shit. Speichern unter. Wanna call it ALU P4R. info. Should be a JPG, right? As soon as crap. Got it. Okay. It's deleted. What's this thing saying? Just for fun. Why is it tired? Here we go. Mimino. There we go. Let's have some fun with that one. Tweet of the class. What was it calling? Uber class. Tweet of the year. I like that one. Yeah, my life. It takes a long time actually to get to these comments again. Back. That's weird. Another 2 minutes again. Commentary needs a time. Be right back. Get them peeing actually and stuff like that, and watching my food. To be lonely. For fuck's sake. Smoothness sometimes come out of your mouth. You have a lot of ideas. But who cares? That's why I just gave already up, because only myself and myself. That's it. Actually, am I and myself. I talk a lot. Especially when I get pissed off is actually making a, you know, kind of dealing dumb with a license for a car. I hate to drive. It's not my world. I do everything else. Excavation system driving, crane driving, forklift driving, but I can't drive a car because I'm an idiot or something. I hate to do it. I have no actually A to B point where I have to head on. This is kind of senseless bullshit. Not driving to someone else actually to inspect my car all the times and just refilling my car or cleaning it up. I'm the worst for a car or something like that. Better drive it virtually or something and have fun with that one. Even I'm a worst driver anyway. At the same time, actually watching actually how many people is actually dying on the car driving as I'm driving actually, or doing actually some things like actually drinking alcohol or smoking. That's for me the same. If I say I'm a bad driver, I deal done with that shit. I can't. Maybe I'm a loser or something. Nobody just teach me that one. Sometimes I'm doing that, but this is like actually to say, okay, this is from A to B, because knowledge actually to know that you have to go there. To be afraid, but actually I'm there. But that was not fun. That was kind of, you know, I don't like it. Yeah, illegal way, better say then. But this is my thing, you know. Hold on, before the shit happened. I have something better right here. You got these noodles? Let me show up. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, you need these noodles. Perfect for. I like sometimes freezing food. perfectly in here. That makes sense. It's a full pan of actually 5 kilograms of food. Perfecto. I think it says we have 4. We'll maybe swap over, but I give a fuck. There's always work to be done in the kitchen somehow. See, if hungry as a ass wide open section, you're not watching actually something actually you should watch. Whatever. You change your mind every second. That's humans. Wanna kill someone, just wanna go to the supermarket. Nobody makes his comments anyway, so I just give a fuck this one. Not just talking actually English and German, actually fluent, but just, you know, whatever you want to be done with. It's your life, but let me know actually. From watching YouTube videos actually that belongs actually the last 8 times or 8 years actually, I'm not commentating anymore. It's the last actually 24 hours or 48 hours I comment. So thank you very much for that one. You just delivered actually in here. Must make me happy or sick. And then sometimes you get likes and stuff like that, or just get comment actually back from the subscriber, but she just subscribed. He's the owner of his channel of YouTube. It's very rare actually. If you just say, okay, they have a live stream and I'm watching. It's very rare. Kind of zero actually. I was at work or sleeping when I'm making a live stream. But these guys actually starting up whenever they want actually a live stream, and they're getting a mail. 300,000 watchers. What the fuck? That is the weirdest I ever saw. Come on, this. That's gone. Can't do it any time, man. Yeah, thanks for the eruption. can't beat it, man. I can't do it. The time is nonsense. It's bullshit. What's at the server, man? How many things do you have to be done with? This music is bullshit, man. Oh, schon übergelaufen. Oh, Jesus, Maria. Schau, die können wir zu. Ach, scheiße, wir haben auch noch. Ja, schon ein Haufen Zeug, oder? Nicht gelesen. Ja, schau dir keiner zu, warte mal, ich muss mir das senden. Das ist das silly. Entschuldigung. Das ist echt meine Kontrolle. Ich habe ein Jahr jetzt nicht mehr nachkontrolliert. Interessante Seite, Alter. Ist das die oder was? Ja, das ist die Seite hier. So. Ja, das ist schon krass. hell? Oh, ist so. Bisschen übel. What's going on, Rika? Nobody's watching anyway. Das läuft doch nicht über. Na. Geht gerade so noch. Das ist wirklich gerade noch so an der Grenze. Das blubbert und das, aber das mache ich schon sauber. Das Wasser muss weggekocht werden. Dann hat es echt ein perfektes Essen. Aber ich habe eine ganze Pfanne voll gemacht. Randvoll. Oh mein Gott. 3 Stunden bei 5. Das sind ja die 300, was weiß ich, wie Volt oder was, oder Ohm oder wie heißt das? Watt? Keine Ahnung. Kannst einen Eintopf drin machen. Ah. Passt schon, wird laufen. Der Krautmann. Ihr Paket ist da zugestellt. Ach Mann. Ich will gar nicht wissen, wo. Hört da eh keiner zu. Ach, du mit der Premium. Deswegen bekomme ich auch keine Leute. Ich sehe mich noch selber. Excuse myself. Tadaimasu, by the way. Only livestream. Ci sta capendo sua che se dice due cose per di next stream. Get a new follower or something. Sub CarX. Ganbarimasu. What? Ah, crack. My mistake. My mistake. It just was actually fin-tailing actually some police car. It's a virtual game, okay? I'm not using done that in real time. I'm sorry. Mother than hell. Spank my, you know, back or whatever you want to be done with. I think we never came through with that all the stuff, right? It is science. Let's deal down the Chevrolet then. Oh, for sake. May have better luck or something. That old grandmother's course on this crack. The brown chocolate or what the hell you dealing down with that stuff? How does it you call the stuff on it? How much it takes? A 5. What the hell? That's it? So now we can deal down with what? And pressed X. I don't like actually this stuff. Whoa. That looks nice. Holy moly, hell. Huh. What The hell is that color for? Oh, it's weird. Puh. We need the rims actually in green or something. This crap. Cheers. Holy shit! You overjumped that problem. Uh-oh, this is gonna be a close one. Oh, that was close, man. You can tell that was close enough as well, over jumping them. Holy mother in hell. He get everything in once. Nice, that was nice. I can lick my fingertips, right? And pick it up, and that's some kind of a you don't want to tell. Starts with a P or something, this crack, you know. Let's go, you know, I make food, did all this stuff, drinking, have fun. Keep it macaroni style. I'm good at this, so everything's cool. Just the water needs to get out, and it's starting up together. So we have more than actually 30 minutes actually to go with this. Let's make a free. Yeah, no wonder they're actually cleaning up all the time and stuff. Take a 4-man, everything's good. Cleaning up that stuff. Don't be suffer. I think you actually cooking for your personality or something. That's crack. They say actually you can't play in this anymore. Every car is actually being looted or something. That's crack. What the fuck they're thinking they're doing being done with this shit. Which one do you have to be done in here? Ah, exactly. So it's over. Was fun, definitely. I have no infinity, goddammit. It's actually possible, but I don't know why that's so far. We should continue actually with equal speed. I better say with DefNation to be a countdown. What's the high kingpin? Here we go. Too loud. Can't win all the time the first time. We interrupt actually 3 hours long this live stream. Cause enough. That was very chilled up. And that's the last time we saw actually this 20k. So I'm going to the DefNation CB and just trying a little bit out of there with the career mode. Maybe platinize this tonight or not. I give a fuck, you know. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for watching here around. From DefNation4Real on the PlayStation Network ID. Let's go actually to yeah, you know, the other one, DefNation CB actually, Christopher Berg. The PlayStation Network ID in here on these Asphalt Legends Unite. Thank you very much for watching you while. Show a bit of cooking actually might go. Restricted to go forward. That's a reputation point for the day, man. Oh my gosh. This is an idiot of the idol in here. I don't want to be number 1 or something that's crack. You're already rejected. Touchdown less later. DefNation CB. You know what's so happy to do that one, you know, it's just